Volunteers with the Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services pitched in to make sure all families are hurricane ready. Volunteers gathered at Jacobson Family Food Pantry bright and early this morning to help pick up and deliver nearly 950 bags of hurricane supplies to houses in Boca Raton and Delray Beach. These bags include non-perishable food and information on where to shelter during a storm.
We don't consider ourselves a first responder, but we are very integral to the fabric of the community as far as before and after a storm, ensuring that seniors living alone have the supports they need to make it through a storm safely.
Rales JFS encourages seniors in Boca Raton, Delray Beach, and Highland Beach who need these services to register now for free on their website.